Occupational health and safety is my other world outside of Pilates and outside of biomechanics. And I hope it's important to you too, that you don't want to get hurt just because you're doing your job. So I already have a video about how to change your springs, kneeling down and changing them from behind the apparatus, pulling on the pedal. But now how about this? When you test your springs, I notice how so many of you test your springs, you've hooked your spring up and then you go and you push your pedal. Well, first of all, you should just be able to see if your apparatus is hooked up well. If you are really afraid that your springs are going to fall off, you need a different chair. The chair from your manufacturer is not safe enough. Sell it, get a different one. Now, once you've got a good chair, then you change springs, and you can't test the springs unless it's on a spring that's appropriate for hands on the pedal. Like right now, my spring is one in the middle and the other one off on this chair. And so I could push on the spring if I felt like it needed to be tested. Otherwise, if you've got heavier springs on it and you push with your hand, well, those springs are too heavy for your wrist, elbow, shoulder. So if you're gonna test springs that are heavier, here I've got one top, one bottom. Well, then I should test it by coming to the front and pushing on the pedal with my leg. These are springs that are appropriate for legs. So you've got to consider, if you're testing springs, are you testing with a hand weight spring, an arm weight spring? That's one spring only, the other ones have to be off. Or if you've got two springs on, those are for when you have the weight of your legs and lower body on it. You must test with both legs so that you don't get hurt. So you say, oh, I'm not going to get hurt, until the time that you do. So I encourage you, test your springs if you need to test your springs appropriately. If you feel concerned that your springs are not going to be safe, that they're going to pop off, you need a new chair. Get a new chair. I know that's so annoying, but it's the truth. Safety is most important. Once you get injured, you're out of luck. So take good care of yourself. Test your springs if you need to appropriately. If you even need to test your springs, get yourself a new chair.